I've literally never heard anybody talk about this Canon G7X trick, and it will change your selfies forever. And once you start shooting like this, you'll understand why every selfie suddenly looks like you're a glowing, beautiful goddess sent from the heavens. So here's my secret. I always shoot backlit, which means the brightest light is behind me, not in front of me, and I always use the flash. The backlight gives you that soft halo effect, while the flash just pulls your features forward. It's literally the easiest way to just look like a glowing goddess with the beautiful halo effect behind you. So here is a step-by-step on how I take my selfies. First thing is finding the right backlight. This could be a window, the sun, a lamp, anything where the light is directly behind you, and once you see like a soft glow halo effect around your hair or your shoulders, that is the perfect backlight that you want. Then I turn the flash on because being backlit, you're gonna just be like super dark in front. So the flash helps bring out all of your features forward. I don't shoot super close. It's usually an arm's length away. So then the flash can fill in the whole frame. You can still see the backlight. And if you're too close, the flash will just drown you out and not look good. It'll be way too harsh. So usually an arm's length away is perfect. And my settings are the same every single time. They're the easiest settings on the planet. I just keep the camera in program mode. I let the camera pick all the settings. When I shoot film, I always use manual mode. So when it comes to digital, I like to keep it simple. So no crazy settings, nothing confusing. The lighting is what's basically doing all the work here. And that's literally it. I just always make sure I'm backlit, the flash is on, and I'm in program mode. And then the lighting behind me just creates that beautiful halo effect. And it's how I take my selfies on this camera every single time. And this backlight trick works for any camera that has a flash on it. I've used it with old digicams with a flash, my Sony camera with a flash. I have not tried it on film with a flash yet because I really don't take selfies like that with my film camera, but maybe I should try. And yeah, that's it. That's how I take my selfies with the Canon G7X. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.